The EverBank Performance Savings account is designed for people who want to make the most out of their savings without any complicated requirements or unnecessary fees. Right from the start, this account offers a standout 4.30% APY on all balances, which is much higher than the typical rate you'd find at most banks. More than 8 times the current national average, especially if you've got a balance around $50,000. What makes it attractive is that there's no monthly maintenance fee and no minimum balance required to either open or keep the account, which means anyone can get started with any amount, big or small. Interest on the EverBank Performance Savings account is compounded daily, so your money is working for you around the clock. The account is also FDIC insured, giving peace of mind that your deposits up to $250,000 per depositor are protected in case of bank failure. There are no hidden fees, including for things like mobile check deposits, so you don't need to worry about unexpected costs eating into your earnings. For those who prefer handling their banking online, EverBank makes it simple with a fast online application process, mobile banking, and easy ways to fund or withdraw from your account, whether through online transfers, wire, or mobile deposits. You also get access to a huge network of over 36,000 surcharge-free ATMs and 5,300 shared branches, making access to your cash pretty convenient compared to some other online banks. For people looking to save for a big purchase, build an emergency fund, or just watch their money grow without jumping through hoops, EverBank checks a lot of boxes. The lack of maintenance fees or balance requirements removes roadblocks that might otherwise discourage people from starting a savings plan. Security is also a priority, with strict measures in place to reduce fraud risk and protect your information, plus a long-standing reputation for stability and strong financial health. There are a couple of things to keep in mind before making this account your main savings hub. The attractive 4.30% APY is variable, which means it could change depending on market conditions. So unlike CDs or fixed rate accounts, it's not locked in. Another limitation is that the account doesn't come with physical checks. So if you're someone who likes to use checks for savings, this account won't offer that option. In summary, the EverBank Performance Savings account is a strong option for anyone who wants to maximize interest on their savings with little to no hassle. It's designed for both new and seasoned savers, especially those who prefer digital banking. The big draw is the high APY and the absence of annoying fees or minimums coupled with reliable, secure banking. Just keep an eye on rate changes and consider how you prefer to access your savings, because while the benefits are real, the rate isn't fixed and there are no check writing features. Overall, it's a modern, user-friendly choice for those who want their money to work harder without complicated strings attached.